Yes, this is Rosal. Brothers and sisters, we heard the footstep of horses coming with the Lord Jesus and his angels.
From Angel's Message Inc. Rosal Rabi, Exodus 20:16. Ninth Commandment. Huwag kang magbibintang sa iyong kapwa. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. Exodus 20:17. Tenth Commandment. Huwag mong iimbutin ang bahay ng iyong kapwa. Huwag mong iimbutin ang asawa ng iyong kapwa, ni ang kanyang aliping lalaki o babae, ni ang kanyang baka, ni ang kanyang asno, ni anumang bagay ng iyong kapwa. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's.